going to apply roofing class. So when you create roofing, you have to select the level. So here, we selected top of RB. Kaya di man nato ipatong ato ang roofing. Okay? So roofing is under architecture. And then you go to roofing. You click the pull down arrow. Then arisata sa roof by footprint. Okay? Then you can choose walls. Kung na kay mga existing walls. Kung wala, pwede rin po na siya line. Okay? But since naman tayo walls, then we're going to make use of the walls. Before you start making the roofing, narita sa overhang. You have to set the overhang, that's 1 meter. By default, that is 0. Make sure define slope is checked para na siya slope. Kaya kung naka-uncheck na siya, wala na siya slope plus, no? Flat na siya. So we'll now start making the roofing. So you just hover on the outside face of the wall. You click, left clicking of your mouse. Again, hover on the outside face. This one. In case you will encounter this scenario like wala mag-meet ang lines, what you will do is you go here. This is DR. Trim. You just click that one. You can also type DR. Then click the lines. This is like fillet in CAD. Okay? So make sure all lines have this triangle. Again, the triangle means may slope na siya. Ato na siya i-check. You click that. So it creates the roofing na. Okay? So if we'll check the 3D, we have this roofing. Okay? Now, we'll check the elevation. South architectural. So this is the roofing class. We can adjust the slope. You just click the roof. Click the roof class, and then here, under properties, you have the slope under dimensions. Let's say we set that to 25. Apply. Then it will change.